Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Please remember the risk involved in trading. It's Sunday night. This video is coming at you with a very heavy heart. Rest in peace, Brother Joe. I lost my brother Joe a couple of days ago. His service is tomorrow. Oh, goodness. Joey, love you to death. I'll see you in heaven again, I promise, kid. However, the show must go on. I know how that works. So just let me give you a quick video for trading on Monday. Remember how risky this is. The market has had its double top. They produced market drops. This is the one that started everything. We have had a serious market drop. We are now below the 200 bar moving average. But are we attempting to form a V bottom here? Is that what's going on down here? The OMNI turned bullish for me to trade. If we wanted to trade on Sunday night through Monday, the OMNI wants me to buy dips. Maybe we're attempting a V bottom. Now the OMNI has flip-flopped like crazy, literally a fish out of water for the past 5-6 sessions, and it flipped again from Friday to Sunday night, Monday. So the OMNI flip-flopping usually means we are about to vacate the area. Now the OMNI doesn't say which direction on the day it starts to happen. Well, I should say that the OMNI will tell us which direction when it starts to go. So it could be up or down, we don't know. But lots of times when you get all this OMNI flip-flopping, when the OMNI does buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, we tend to vacate the area one way or another. So maybe that's what's going on. I just wanted to share that with you. Be careful out there tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to do any trading at all, but if we did, the OMNI wants us to attempt it from a buy of dips approach. Now, I do have a couple of levels written down that if the market opens and goes higher first and hits specific levels, we would cancel all buying on Monday. But we'll talk about that in my trading room if we get there, if that happens. In any event, my apologies, I have not answered any of your comments that you've left below my videos in the last few days. I know I always answer your comments, traders, but I've had no head to answer them. I will get back to your comments, I promise you. Please leave more on this video and I will get to them. Just, I just need a little time to absorb this. So again, Brother Joe, love you to death, my brother. Oh my God, rest in heaven, kid. I will see you again one day. Rest in peace, and that's it for me, kids. Peace out. Have a safe day trading on Monday.